What's up, guys? So today is reapplication day for my plant growth regulator. You guys know how much I like to use PGR to suppress the growth of the Bermuda. Today in the mix I'm going to be using iron supplement. Again, we use iron for a quick boost of green. Today I'm using a product called Feature 600. You've seen me use the ferrous ammonium sulfate mixture in the past. One thing I really like about the Feature 600 is that it is chelated, so it does not stain the concrete. So you get all the quick boost of green, no risk of stain. It also contains a few micronutrients. I believe it has some manganese, magnesium, and some sulfur. So let's go get started. Alright, so today I'm going to be spraying out of the Gregson-Clark spreader mate. It's a 9-gallon 4-nozzle boom sprayer molded to fit the Lesco 80-pound broadcast spreader. It's really overkill for a lawn my size, but you know, that's okay sometimes. Instead of using the full 4 nozzles, today I'll probably turn off the outer 2 and just run 2. So let's get some water flowing. One thing I've been using here lately is a defoamer. Great if you got issues with certain products foaming. I usually add a little bit, you know, just to be safe. So let's get started here. Filling the tank. Add a little defoamer. Alright, once I get a little bit of water in the tank, I like to begin agitation. Basically just start the pump on the spreader mate, get the pump primed, adjust the pressure to about 40 pounds, and then continue to fill while we get the rest of our product ready to mix. Alright, so something else I find really handy are these squeeze measure pour bottles. I buy my PGR, it comes in a 1-gallon jug, and rather than pour and try to measure out of the 1-gallon jug, you know, every time I need to measure my dose, I just kind of squeeze and pour out of this bottle. So we will measure our dose. There's an ounce. Two, 3 and a half. See how quick that is? So we'll continue to fill and agitate here. Alright, so once my tank starts to get full, I'm going to start to dissolve in the Feature 600. This is a powder product. What I'm going to do is just gradually add this while the tank's agitating. I'm also going to use this spiral mixing arm to help dissolve the product a little bit faster. Alright, so last thing to mention before we get started, I think I failed to mention the application rate for this Feature 600. Label rate is 1 to 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I'm right there around that 2 ounces per 1,000 square foot mark, if not just a hair over. This is a 3-pound bag, and basically what I do just for ease of use, I get 2 applications out of a bag. I applied half last time. I'm going to apply the rest of the bag this time, and it just keeps things simple. So here we go. All right, so just some parting thoughts as we close out today. Of course, we sprayed the PGR and the Feature 600 iron supplement. While I was spraying, of course, there was still dew on the ground this morning. I noticed some dollar spot mycelium in some areas, which is bad news. So maybe in the next video we'll talk about how we're going to treat that. I had a bout of dollar spot earlier in the season, and it was almost devastating. But hopefully we're going to catch this early enough, get it corrected, and keep moving forward. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time.